You get paid on Friday. By Tuesday, you're wondering where it all went. By Thursday, you're counting down to the next paycheck. Sound familiar? It's called the payday drain. And it happens to millions of people every single week. You're not irresponsible. You're not bad with money. You just don't see it happening until it's too late. Here's how it works. Friday hits. Money lands in your account. You feel good. You feel rich. You've been waiting for this. So you go out, dinner with friends, a few drinks, maybe some shopping. You deserve it. You worked hard. Saturday comes. Groceries, gas, that thing you've been meaning to buy, another meal out because you don't feel like cooking. Sunday, brunch, coffee, one more small purchase that doesn't feel like a big deal. None of it feels like much in the moment. 20 here, 50 there. It's just the weekend. Then Tuesday hits. You check your account and your stomach drops. Where did it all go? This isn't a math problem. Your paycheck was enough on Friday. It's a tracking problem. The spending happened faster than your brain could process it. Most people don't track weekend spending. They budget for bills, rent, car payment, utilities. The big stuff is covered, but the weekend, that's a blur. That's fun money. That's, I'll figure it out. And that's exactly where the drain happens. The Finance Reset Toolkit fixes this. It helps you audit your weekend spending before it happens, not after, before. On Thursday night, before you get paid, you look at your weekend. What's planned? What's likely? What's the damage going to be? You set limits. You assign money. You decide in advance what the weekend is worth. Then, when Friday hits, you're not guessing. You're not hoping. You have a plan. The toolkit shows you exactly how weekend spending impacts your bigger goals. That extra $50 at brunch? See what it does to your savings timeline. That impulse purchase? Watch your debt payoff date move. When you see the trade-offs in real time, decisions get easier. You don't need more discipline. You need more visibility. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, a debt payoff planner, a savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that simulates your financial future. No more Tuesday panic. No more wondering where it went. Just a simple system that keeps your money where it belongs. Save your payday. Link in the description. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.